In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're creating a website from scratch or updating existing content, adding links is an essential skill. It not only enhances navigation, but also connects your visitors to essential resources. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Hostinger. Once you're on the homepage, find and click on Websites from the main menu. This will take you to a list of all the websites you have set up with Hostinger. Now from this list, select the website you'd like to edit and then click on Edit Website to open the Hostinger Website Builder. Next, locate the area of the page where you'd like to insert your link. Usually this could be a button, a specific piece of text, or even a standalone link on the page. Let's start with adding a link to a page element. Click on Page, which will open up various editable sections of your site. Within the page editor, you'll see options to add different elements. Choose Add Link, which is your gateway to linking any part of your website. Once you opt to add a link, a dialog box will appear. Here you'll select Web Address, indicating you're linking to an external URL. Now simply enter or paste your desired link into the box provided. After you've entered the URL, don't forget to click on Save. This step will ensure that your changes are applied and stored. Now, let's move on to editing text. If you'd like to embed a link within a text, click on Edit Text. Highlight the words you want to link, then click on Link from the text editing toolbar. As before, choose Web Address and type in the link. Press Save when you're done. You might find this particularly useful for guiding your readers to reference sites or additional resources. Additionally, if you're working with buttons, the process is just as simple. Click on Edit button. In the editing options that appear, find the field where you can input a link. Enter your link here and remember to click Save. Buttons are fantastic for call to action links such as sign up or learn more, directing your users efficiently to their next step. That's it! You've successfully learned how to add links in various parts of your website using Hostinger Website Builder. With these skills, you can improve your site's navigation and provide a seamless experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos for more website building tips and tricks. Happy linking!